Hey drummers, welcome, Eddie here. I'm super happy that you are here. And today we're going to look at the 4 basic paradiddles and how you can actually play them and apply them around the drum kit. That sounds pretty cool, right? So the first step here is to actually master all the first 4 paradiddles. So we have right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, paradiddle at the end. We all know that one. Then we have the double in the middle, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Then we have the double at the beginning, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. And then we have the double in between. So right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Now you can already practice this on your practice pad or on your snare, or to just get started and master the patterns, ingrain it into your system. But the magic happens when you move one hand, your right hand, to your hi-hat or another cymbal. Let's take the ride today, all right? So right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. I'll play them all once, and then I'm going to move on to the next pattern. Now maybe you can't hear the patterns that much yet, but that will come as soon as you practice them. Let me add a bass drum here so you have an understanding of how to actually create a groove and how it sounds when you create a groove with all these different patterns. Now, that's all pretty cool, but the magic happens when you start moving it around and mixing and matching these paradiddle patterns. Right, that's just a quick example of how it sounds when you combine these grooves. Maybe you can't hear yet which pattern is which, but you will get there. So mastering these 4 patterns will help you to actually master everything at drums, because everything comes back to singles or doubles or a combination of these, which is paradiddles, right? It's not what you play, it's how you play it. All your heroes have the same access to the same rudiments as we do. It's just how they play it, right? It's not what they play. We all play the same thing. It's just how you play it. So master the basics and you will be able to progress and learn more on how to use these, and then you're golden. Have fun, enjoy, and for any questions, comment below and I'm happy to help. See you in the next one.